Hello everyone, in my today's video I am going to show you how to create trees in Autodesk 3ds Max 2012. I am using an older version because this older version runs smoothly and faster on my computer. To create a tree, it's very simple. Let's create a ground for the tree. Okay, let's say this is the ground. Now click on this and go to AEC extended. Click on this foliage. Here you see different type of trees. If you want to create this banyan tree, then click here. Decrease the size of this tree. Now just check it in rendering. Here you see this tree. Now let's create another one. Is an tree. And check this in rendering. Here you see a very beautiful tree. And for more videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe easyedu, and thank you for watching.